How to shut down Google Pixel 6a. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can shut down your Google Pixel 6a, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually shut down your Google Pixel 6a, what you need to do is, normally if you press the power button, it is supposed to open up power menu, but in this case it's opening up Google Assistant. Now in the case of Pixel devices, by default you have to press the power button and the volume up buttons for the power menu to come up. So just go ahead and press the power and the volume up buttons here, and now the power menu will come up, and now you can power it off. But if you'd like to change the setting that if you long press the power button for the power menu to pop up, you can open the settings application and simply go to the option called system, which will be at the bottom of the screen. From system you can go to gestures. From here you can see press and hold power button option. So now you can select power menu. Next time onwards, if you press the power button only, it will open the power menu instead of opening up Google Assistant. Otherwise you can just use the previous settings. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.